So you guys, welcome back to the DM and Friends. I am DM Angelo, and if you've never played in the world of Greyhawk, this video is for you. And this is going to be no history lecture, no old school versus new school rivalry, just a quick, friendly rundown of what it is, who the big names are, where you actually can get it, and where to start playing once you begin. So let's get right into it. So Greyhawk is one of the original settings for Dungeons & Dragons, created by Gygax. Two quick pieces of geography that you should know going into this, right? So the world of Greyhawk is actually a planet, and it's called Oerth, O-E-R-T-H. That's the whole world, oceans, continents, all of it. And generally, a lot of the material is written on a continent called Oerth. And on the eastern portion of that continent, which is the Flanaess. So you'll hear Flanaess quite a bit, right? And that's a single continent packed with kingdoms, free cities, wild borderlands. Think dozens of small nations, right next to each other, other instead of one of a sprawling empire, right? Which means a lot of variety packed into a small map. Well, what makes it a great setting is, just to pick up and run, is it doesn't come loaded down with, 50 years of interconnected meta plot you need to study first. There's a lot of open areas where you can just plop something in. It's built loose on purpose. So you and your table, can fill in the details as you go. So the short version of good and evil in there, because there's definitely a theme in this. Every good fantasy, needs, stakes, right? Well, and Greyhawk has a clear one running through it. The gods themselves are taking sides, right? So on the side of good, one of the most widely worshipped deities in the Flanaess is Saint Cuthbert, right? A god of common sense, retribution, and law. And worshipped by, no-nonsense clerics who'd rather crack a skull with a mace than, debate philosophy with you. And his, really an interesting thing is his holy text, like his Bible, is called the Book of Common Sense. Pretty awesome, right? Well, on the other side, and there's a huge pantheon of gods, but I'm just going to name a couple that I really like. In my campaign, these are gods that are kind of pulling the strings and kind of involved. Well, on the side of evil, two names come up constantly, right? Ayuz is a demigod of oppression and pain who rules his own actual area, hostile territory on the northern side of the Flanaess, and shows up as a recurring threat in adventures set there. And beneath the surface, you might have heard of this one, is Lolth, L-O-L-T-H, and that's the demon queen of spiders, patron of the drow. The drow elves, and one of the most dangerous powers in the entire setting. So you don't need to memorize a whole pantheon and to start playing. You just need to know that good and evil in Greyhawk isn't abstract. It's got names, and your characters will run into all of them, sooner or later. So where to actually get material to get started, right? Well, here's the practical part, and where to find the books, right? The classic entry point is what collectors call the gold box, and I'm going to show you guys it. This is the gold box that came out in the 80s. This was 1983 that this box set came in, and in this box set, I'll open it up, are the actual Darling. You'll hear the word the Darling maps. So you have these two maps right here, and they're fold-out maps. Really, really awesome. And then two books, you have a glossography and another guide to the world of Greyhawk, right? Very thin books with very high level information that'll get you started, right? You know, and it's the one most old school DMs cut their teeth on, right? And it's available in PDF through DMs Guild, and I'll have a link down for you guys to go and get that. Great information in there, and it's also, I think, on drive-through also. But so you don't need to hunt them down for physical copies. You can get these in PDF form and, you know, print them out yourself if you like. So that's the gold box. Now, if you want something built specifically for picking the setting up today, right? Check out the Greyhawk campaign guide by Joseph Bloch, Greyhawk Grognard. And I did a review on this. If you search for it, you'll find it. Maybe I'll link that video too up on the top. But and it's a modern single volume campaign supplement covering the history, geography, inhabitants of the Flanaess, written specifically to bring new DMs into the setting, and it's on DMs Guild. And like I said, I'll have that down in the show notes too. This is a 117 page booklet. So those are, you know, so, and beyond those two, right, the gold box and this campaign guide, DMs Guild has a huge library of official Greyhawk material and fan-made conversions, including options built for 5e. So whatever edition your table plays, there's likely a way in, and it's the best single place to start browsing. And I've gotten, you know, like I said, I got links below that you can check out. And click those and just go over there and look. There's a lot of stuff, but these are the two places that I suggest. So once you pick these up, or once you kind of want to dive into the world of Greyhawk, where should you start playing? Well, I'm pretty, you know, I have an opinion about that. And if you want to skip the research and just start playing, here's the easiest on-ramp, and that's T1, the village of Hommlet. This guy right here, this right here. It is a small border town with a handful of memorable NPCs and a dungeon nearby. That's called the Moathouse, right? Built from the ground up as a starting adventure, a starting sandbox adventure, and it still works perfectly as today as it did back in the day. You know, I've actually got an ongoing series walking through it step by step for you DMs. You know, and it's called the Greyhawk Foundation's Inside Hommlet. Village, NPCs, the dungeon, the different buildings in the town. You know, one piece at a time. If you're ready to actually play in Greyhawk instead of just reading about it, that's exactly where you want to go. And so that's Greyhawk in a nutshell. That's really all you need to get started. That is all, you know, and you know, so I don't know how long this video takes right now at this moment, but you know, that's Greyhawk in you know, under 10 minutes. You know, Oerth, the Flanaess, St. Cuthbert, Ayuz, Lolth, and where to actually get the books. You know, check out the Inside Hommlet playlist that I have, and when you're ready to actually play, you're ready. All right, you guys, I am DM Angelo. Keep gaming, take care of each other, and if you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments and I'll help you through this. All right, you guys, game on. Bye-bye.